Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will share with you not one, not two, but 6 Canva fonts which will be really helpful for making your own designs and using new type of font for your design. So let's start with it. So I am choosing Instagram post as my canvas. I don't require any canvas to show these designs because these are the collections of fonts which I will share the code with you and in this video. So let's start. I'll come here to the elements and type in here set N A F P P G B U T R U. So this is the first font, and as you can see it is a grunge font, and this is the grunge letter. You can find it here. You can find another one which is looking like this. Okay, you can change the color of it. As you can see there are two colors here. You can change both of them. For this one also you can change the colors according to your requirement. Okay, so this first font is about grunge letter. Let's do for the second one. Okay, so second one is N A F M V 3 J L 8 K 4. So second one is this one. As you can see it is the cute letter font or the funky font, as you can see it here. So you can use any of them here, and in this font you can also see that you can change the colors of it. Like if I want to change it to green, I can easily do that. Okay, so you can use any of the letters from here and change the font as well. Okay, so let's come to the third font. This is N A F R I W D Z Z H W. So this font, as you can find it here, it is another typography font, and you can find all this here. And for this also you can change the color, as you can see it here. Let's change it to purple here, and as you can see the color is changed for this font also. Okay, so the third font is done. Let's come to the fourth font, which is N A F M D Q A K J C C. Okay, so this is the fourth font here, which is another funky look letter, which is a kind of retro here. So let's try it in the main canvas here, and here also you can find two colors present here, and you can change both of them here. And to let you know that all the fonts which I am showing it here are all in Pro, and you can use only them if you have a Canva Pro account. Okay, okay, let's come to the fifth one. N A F O G 3J9M34. So this is one funky letter font, as you can see it here. Okay, so this is the fifth one, and to let you know that none of the fonts are designed by me, and I have just curated the fonts for you so that it becomes helpful for you to make your own designs more creative, more unique, and present it in a different way. So this is the fifth font, as you can see it here. So let's come to the sixth font, which as I promised, I will share 6 fonts with you, and I am sharing it here. The sixth font is NAFM7DQP4JC. So this is the sixth font, and it is a psychedelic letter, and as you can see, it is designed by Anna Mar, and most of the designs I have shown in here are designed by Anna Mar, and I hope we are pronouncing it right. If we are pronouncing it wrong, very sorry from our end, and hope you like this tutorial about the fonts, and let me know in the comments which font you like the most and you will use it first. So you can also change the color for this font also. So as you can see, this is a Pro font, and you can use it only if you have a Canva Pro account. Okay.